Hey everyone, timscomputerfix.net. Listen, I got a little follow-up video. I did a video on a screen replacement on a Lenovo Yoga 710 ISK model, 4K. And at the time of that video, first of all, there wasn't a video on YouTube on that yet at the time. And there was also not a service manual available for that model Yoga laptop. But what I found out is after making the video, my viewers pointed out several times that once you get to this point in my original video, I had to pry off this back cover because there's tape that is behind this screen, very tough tape that holds this screen in place. So, but what I did in the original video is I actually used heat and I pried the back cover off, essentially damaging or bending the lid, which forced me to purchase another back lid. The repair worked out just fine in the end, but I want to make the correction in this video to show that there's actually, the tape actually sticks out here at the bottom after you remove this cover. The tape sticks out and is accessible. Anyways, the whole idea is that you take the tape here and you pull on it. It's in there pretty good. Okay, see I got the tape like this and I'm slowly pulling it. And it's feeling, I don't want to pop it, but you can feel it kind of coming out. Right? There's this. And that's coming down. As you can see, it's kind of moving over towards the hinge area. It's coming on out. Okay, very good. You see there? I got a good bit out already. And that does make life a little easier for certain. And I've already got this screw out, so that helps take a little bit of tension off here. But it's coming off. Pulling that out like this. And that's it. That's all of the tape on that side. And you know, that should help matters out there. So we come on this side and we'll do the same thing. This one's kind of hidden back behind these cables here a little bit. We have to kind of dig it out a little bit. See if I can dig that out. As you can see here, I've got this one. Very tough to see, but I kind of got this one gently trying to pull on it. It is a little tough to pull, but it's coming out. And notice how I had the screen almost all the way open because I'm trying not to. It's getting a little tight there. I don't like that. Oh, I don't want that to pop. Oh boy, that's ooh. No. No. It popped. It popped. It popped. I'm in trouble now. We can lift one in a little bit here. See if I can work this out a little bit. Okay, and that might happen. It sure did. It popped right off. Let's see if I can. The screen's already gone, so I don't have to worry about that too much. But I will say, there we go. I got it. Ah, it slipped. Damn you. Can you see? Come here and pull this. So once you pull that tape out, the screen just slides right down like this. And there you go. So that's it. Once this tape all gets pulled out, right, on both sides, the screen slides down and falls right straight back like so. And then you're able to take off your video cable and proceed with the rest of the video that I have posted here. And you can proceed with the repair as shown in the original video, which I have linked down here below the video, below this video. So anyways, I just wanted to be sure that we correct that mistake or improper way of doing this that I did. It's this was a little bit easier, but a little bit trickier, because when you pull this this tape can pop. And when it pops, it makes life a little bit more difficult, but you still want to kind of work things out and grab a hold of this tape to release the screen. Makes life a lot easier, okay? Just a quick update, everyone. Tim with timscomputerfix.net. Let's get another one going, okay? Hit down below, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. That'd be awesome. The bell for notifications, that's always a must. Until next time, see you soon.